Hi everyone, my name is Tal Yeager. I'm the product manager for Verify Continuous Integration here at GitLab. I'd like to highlight a couple issues that we will be delivering in the 12.10 release. So we previously introduced support for parent-child pipeline, which allowed you to configure a pipeline that can trigger another pipeline, where the triggering pipeline is the parent and the triggered pipeline is the child. As a follow-up to that feature, we began work on a couple milestones ago to release in the upcoming 12.10 this dynamic child pipeline creation via artifact includes feature. This is the ability to dynamically generate a GitLab CI YAML file. And what it allows you to do is generate child pipelines that reflect runtime analysis of what's changed or a multitude of other criteria which can be defined in a build matrix of input variables. So this feature should open up a lot of interesting use cases, and we're looking forward to delivering that to you in 12.10. Next, during 12.9, we started our work to improve the experience migrating from Jenkins to GitLab. We, as part of that work, is this issue for a wrapper for Jenkins execution inside of GitLab MVC. It's our initial step in the larger effort for migrating from Jenkins to GitLab. And what we want to do is make it easy to get started with an option to run Jenkins files in a container inside GitLab. The existing implementations that we know of this approach is entirely a manual process. So our first steps are twofold: to automate as much as possible the process that is now purely manual, and to document all the how-tos for the remaining manual processes, such as how to set up your pipeline to correctly run your Jenkins file in a container, how to create a runner capable of running the Jenkins file container, or even how to use GitLab features with the outputs from the Jenkins file job. So in that effort, our MVC that we will be delivering in 12.10 is part of work that we started at milestone 12.9. It's this issue to create a tool to automate some of the steps for setting up a wrapper to run Jenkins file inside of GitLab. This tool will automate the process of extracting Jenkins server configurations from the user's environment for the purpose of constructing a Docker image to be run in the GitLab with the GitLab runner. For this purpose, users will be able to download and run this scripted CLI tool in common server environments. While this is just an initial step and a minimal viable change in the journey to convert Jenkins installations to GitLab CI, we hope that along with the detailed documentation and this tool, that it'll assist users needing to convert from Jenkins to GitLab. That's it for what we plan for 12.10 release for the Verify Continuous Integration Group. Thanks for listening. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ping me in the issues that will be listed at the bottom of this video description. Thank you.